What's up guys, my name is Michael and to be honest, it's quite some time since I made a video. And today in this video, I want to share with you all the ways in which you can sync edits in Capture One. And if that's not enough, I want to share with you the Black Friday offers of Capture One and myself. But first of all, let's go ahead and learn something. So we are here in Capture One, and just in case you don't know, you can customize the toolbar up here, and I really recommend you get the copy and apply and the second copy and apply up in here. So the first thing you can do to synchronize edits between images is select the images you want to sync, select the one you want to copy the settings from. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and click this double arrow. So in this case, all the edits from the left image are synchronized to the right image. But you could also use the arrow to copy all of the adjustments from this image, then select the other image and use the Apply Adjustments button to synchronize all of the edits to this image. And also don't forget to check out the adjustments clipboard, because in here you can find all of the settings which will be applied once you click on this button or use the apply button down here. Now let's say I just want to synchronize the settings of one tool. Now there's an easy way to do that, and in case you haven't seen, every tool in Capture One has this little double arrow symbol up here. Press and hold Shift on your keyboard and click this double arrow. Once you do that, all of the settings of just this tool get synchronized to all the other images that you currently have selected. Now, isn't that great? If you know somebody who's also using Capture One, make sure you share this video so he can also learn this function. But there is even one more way in which you can synchronize the edits from one image to another. And to do that, I'm gonna use this cursor tool to copy the adjustments. So I'm gonna copy the adjustments, and then I'm gonna select the Apply Adjustments tool. And what I can do now is I can now click images individually on which I want to apply these settings. So I could go through my thumbnails and just decide on which image I want to apply the settings, and that's it. So that's a really easy way to synchronize edits between multiple images, or just synchronize some edits between some images. Now that's all for the learning part of this video, but I promised you some great discounts on Black Friday. Regarding Capture One, you will get 30% on everything. So that's great if you need a license, and it's also great if you want to get some new style packs. But that's not all, because in my store you will also get 30% discount on my videos and my styles. So make sure you check that out as well. All the links are in the video description. So whenever you watch this video, maybe Black Friday is already over. If that's the case, drop me a mail and I'm gonna send you what kind of offers are currently available. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you soon again. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.